Let's start this presentation off today with this obviously this is going to be a Trace Router 5.3. This is going to be a variety of questions that you may answer on the CCNA. Who knows? This is a good likely problem. Let's start off here. Okay, enter. Config T. First thing it asks us to do is change the host name. And let's get this right. Host name, one more time. Next thing it asks us to do an enable secret password of Cisco 1. And password. Cisco 1. Next thing it's going to ask to do is password on exec mode. 0. Password Cisco 2. Let's do this as login. Next one it asks us to do a password on the telnet line, or VTY. 04. And password Cisco 3. And we're going to do this as login as well. Next one, it asks us to give us assign Ethernet address, this particular IP number, to the last assignable host name in that subnet. So the subnet is 128. That's the subnet number, and it's 27. So let's bring this up here and let's try to figure out where we are. First off, if you take, let me get the old pen out. All right, if you take 128 and you 128. All right, and first off, it's an incrementer of 32 because it's 27. The first one actually is 64. 32. Spelling could be better. Anyway, this would be 25, 26, 27, increment of 32. So if you go over 32 and you multiply 32 times 4, 4, you would come up with the 128. Okay. If you do it by 5, you would come up to 160. All right. All right. There we go. There. So if you subtract 2 from 160, because 159 would be the broadcast number, so you have 158 is a number that you can use in this particular case. So let's plug this information in. Bring this guy back up. Well, let's go down one level. Interface. Oh, here's the problem: is where do we apply? I know we have a displayed on this particular drawing, but if you're taking the CCNA exam, you will not have these particular numbers listed on the schematic. So let's do IP interface read, and alright, do IP interface read. And why are we not getting that? Do show IP interface read. Okay. First of all, they asked to apply it on the fast Ethernet. All right, let's see what it says. What does it say? Sign up last host. First of all, they asked him for. Well, we don't have anything faster. We're looking for fast Ethernet. First of all, we have two options to look at. I know this is set up on the first one. And obviously the serial is this guy right here. What else do we have to show? CDP neighbors. And what choices? They don't show anything at all. Alright, so let's do fast Ethernet 0. And IP address we know is 209.165. 202.168. 158 from something we just calculated, and this would be a 240 mask on this. Okay, and let's do another shot. Alright, the next one they said, alright, let's do a 16. Obviously 28 would be a 16 incrementer, and 16 would be a, so if it would run between 16 and 32, we can bring up the board, but that's going to be what's going to be. So if you subtract 2 from 32, it would be 30. So let's go down one level. Interface 0.0.0. Alright, what did we do? We'll do show IP interface brief, and it's okay. That's what we did wrong. 0/0-0 IP address of 192.168.0. No, we don't have to go 68. 0.2.30. Okay. And that would be 255.255.255 dot 0. Let's go with that. Actually, yeah, that's close enough. No shot on that. Actually, no, 28 would not be a 0. That would be 224 plus 16. It'd be 240. That's what the last one should be. Let's go for one more time, and that should be 240. There we go. Another shot. All right. That also we want to activate RIP version 2 on this. So let's go down a level. Actually, router RIP version 2 and network. We're gonna do 209.165.002. Let's go 128 and network of 192.0, if I get that right, 2.16, and that's it.